Okay, we're gonna do a light test. Headlight. Turn signal. Turn signal. Turn signal. Okay. Reverse light. Parking light off. Turn signal. Turn signal. Light test. 1973 Dodge Charger. Brand new bumper installation. Just hooked up both of my grounds and my pigtail. Same thing other side. And this is what we got. Yes, very peculiar. Shut it right up. Light test. Chrome bumper. That was the black bumper. Do we remember? And it looks good. Please tell me your thoughts. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, everybody, look at this. You like it with the chrome bumper, or you like it with the black bumper? Please let me know your thoughts. Please like, share, subscribe. I was gonna wait on the front bumper, but you know what? It was too hard to wait on that front bumper after seeing the results of this. Let me take a walk around. Tell me, would you do the front bumper? I think so, huh? Tell me your thoughts. 1973 Dodge Charger, H code. Chrome bumper transformation. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. The pro you need to know.